Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how to get the current date time in Python. So for that we will use the datetime module, import datetime, and then the function is datetime dot date time dot now, and it will give us the time which is currently going on, and that is this time. So let's see, and let's print it. Yeah, so this is the current time, and we can use it in various apps, various programs that we want to use in. Thanks for watching. Comment any questions if you have so that I can solve it. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Keep coding, stay curious.